Hello everybody and welcome back to another Fantasy Wax Melts new releases video. Today we have a huge release for you guys. So today is Friday, March 1st, and at 3 p.m. Central Time in our Etsy shop we have our Princess Diaries 2 collection as well as a mini Easter collection. So I'm super excited to bring all of these to you guys. As always, if you are not a part of our Facebook group, definitely be sure to join. I feel like I post so much more information in there, as well as follow our Instagram for some more kind of behind the scenes content and sneaks and all of that. But I am so excited. Our Easter mini collection is every year, so I'm really excited to bring some new scents. Like I always tend to bring kind of the same scents for the Easter collection, but I added a couple. And then our Princess Diaries 2, our first Princess Diaries collection last year, did so well, and there was an overwhelming amount of people asking for a second collection. So here it is, and I'm super excited. So let's first and foremost jump into the Easter stuff first. For our Easter collection this year, there is 6 scents that are going to be available, and they are super limited because the molds are so hard to work with, but they all will come in a 2-pack of the cute little bunny shape and the little chick shape, and they're all in like Easter egg colors, and I'm so excited. So at first we have Peeps and Strawberry Pound Cake. I used to do just Peeps by itself, which personally I love just Peeps by itself. It's that really like sugary vanilla marshmallow smell, and it's wonderful. But I decided this year to go ahead and blend it with Strawberry Pound Cake, and I definitely feel like that adds that extra oomph that is needed for y'all to really love it. And it's so sweet and so delicious, and it's in this super pink color, which I love. Super pretty pink color. Next we have a new one, which is Jelly Beans. I thought this one would be kind of fun. It's in kind of a pastel purple. This one's a little darker, isn't it? It's supposed to be pastel, but it's jelly beans. It is really delicious. It's kind of a sweet, to me it smells like a sweet cherry almondy kind of scent. Like you can smell the candy, but to me it like kind of leans cherry almond, and I really like it, and I think y'all are really gonna love this one. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised by jelly beans. So that is the next one for Easter. The next Easter is one that I love to bring around because it smells so good. Might even bring it back again in the future, not just Easter related, because it's amazing. And it's Cucumber Melon. Y'all know that Bath & Body Works type. I love it. It is so nostalgic to me. And also this year I've been really on a good melon kick. Like Honeydew Melon has been my jam, but I did it in a pastel yellow because I have a green for something else, unfortunately. Oh, but it's so nostalgic. It smells exactly like Cucumber Melon. It is exactly what you think it smells like. You are going to love it, especially if you grew up wearing Cucumber Melon. So that is the yellow one. So speaking of green, this is a new one. I've done this scent in the past, and I haven't done it in like 4 years. So I really wanted to do it again, and that is Fresh Cut Grass. Now I know this is a very specific scent. I think this is for that type of person that really loves that earthy grass smell, and that is exactly what it smells like. It smells like freshly cut grass. Like if you go out and mow your lawn, or your partner goes out and mows the lawn and they come in, other than sweaty, they smell like this, and it's literally fresh cut grass. It's in the light green color. It's so good. I think it's like really fresh and nice, and I can almost envision melting that on like a really nice summer day with like the windows open, the doors open. It just smells so good. And then the next one is one we did last year. This is in our light blue, and it is Clothes on the Line, which is a really fresh laundry scent. Again, a really nice scent. I feel like in the summertime, perfect to be melting when the doors and windows are open. Your house just smells like fresh laundry. It's clean, it's nice, it's lightly floral. It's a very nice fresh laundry scent. So that is Clothes on the Line. And then last for the Easter scents, I know I kind of went a little ham this year on Easter scents, is our light orange. And of course, it is Carrot Cake with cream cheese frosting. So Carrot Cake fragrance oil already does have a light hint of the frosting in it, but I just wanted to add a little extra of that cream cheese frosting. So that's exactly what I did here. So this is Carrot Cake with cream cheese frosting. And it's so much sweeter, so much more decadent. It is absolutely fantastic. So that is the last of the Easter scents. Next, let's go ahead and dive into the Princess Diaries 2 collection. I'm so excited. I rewatched the movie, and it's been a long time since I've seen that movie, and gave me all the feels. I forgot how much I just love the Princess Diaries movies, and wasn't there like a rumor going around that there's gonna be like a new one soon? Kind of hope so, because I'd be obsessed. So starting off strong with Princess Mia. You start the movie with Princess Mia. She has just turned 21. She is flying to Genovia, and when she comes out at that ball, she is wearing the most beautiful red dress. I was like, oh, I'm obsessed. So this is our Princess Mia scent. It is in a dark red because that is what the dress color was, and it's in our 4-piece magical shapes. You have 2 Mickey ears, a castle, and an It's a Small World or the Small World sign. Princess Mia, because it was her birthday, I wanted to do kind of a birthday-y scent. So this is a blend of sugar cookies, birthday cake, and zucchini bread. It is deliciously, delectably, perfectly bakery sweet with that zucchini bread. Oh, it is so good. So that is Princess Mia, starting off strong. I guess I'll go this way with these. Then next we have Lord Nicholas. I was gonna do the other guy too, but I was like, he's so irrelevant. Like, I just don't care. So we're doing Lord Nicholas. It is in our light blue hearts. I love our heart shapes. They are very thick. If you have not seen them, they are amazing. And this is a very masculine cologne scent. It is a blend of blue sugar, which I love, and Stormy Nights type. Stormy Nights type is a very kind of cologne masculine. The blue sugar tones it a bit, but this is still a very masculine scent. So if you like scents like this, you're gonna love it. It is strong, it is nice, it is a man. So this is a Lord Nicholas. Then next up we will do Slumber Party, like the most iconic scene in the whole movie, I'm sure. I did it as a large pink cake slice. I feel like I've done a lot of the pink cake slices, but they just make sense. And this is a blend of pink frosted animal cookies and cuppy cake. Again, another sweet cakey scent. Just because, like, I don't know, I felt like in this movie, Mia's still young and she's still sweet, and that's just what I was feeling. And this is delicious. I love, or this isn't pink frosted cake. This is pink frosted animal cookies. I just read pink frosted and went with it. Pink frosted animal cookies and cuppy cake. Goodness. Still very sweet, still very cookie and cakey and delicious. So that is Slumber Party. Then next up we have, I have my own mall, because in reference to her closet being literally massive, and it is in our 2-pack tarts in a really pretty peach color. And of course, peach is the blend. It is peach pie, salted caramel, and vanilla ice cream. I was just imagining like a peach cobbler. You know how you get like a peach cobbler and it's on top of like vanilla ice cream, it's melting down the sides, and you add a little bit of caramel syrup? That's what I was envisioning with this blend, and I think I nailed it. It's pretty great. I'm such a fan of peach, and this is so good. It's a very bakery peach. It is not a fresh peach. It is a very bakery. Think like a little bit of brown sugar, some peach filling, peach pie filling, and then of course you have that salted caramel, and the vanilla ice cream is a nice little top there. So that is I Have My Own Mall. Next, we have Shut Up, because we did a Shut Up scent in the Princess Diaries original collection, but the Queen Clarice says it in this movie, and I just thought it was kind of iconic and funny. So that is in our 2-pack light green donuts. This blend is fantastic. It is Cafe Vienna, zucchini bread, and glazed donuts. It is just an amazing coffee blend. It's so good. It is so good. I'm obsessed with this. So that is literally, like, when you smell this, you're literally gonna say shut up, because it's so good. Then the next one we have is Your Crowning Glory, which is the song that Queen Clarice sings at the slumber party. It's in our mini chunk bags. I went with just plain light yellow for this because she's the queen, and she's just, I don't know, she's so elegant, and just light yellow is so sweet and soft for her. I was obsessed. This blend is also going to be a favorite. I already know. It is French baguette, pistachio pudding cake, and tea and cakes. The blend of pistachio pudding cake and tea and cakes together is iconic. It is so good. It is so heavily pistachio, so heavily like almondy, and then that like addition of the French baguette just really adds an extra note to it that you absolutely need. It's so good. I think this is going to be a favorite. This is fantastic. So that is Your Crowning Glory. Next, we'll do a fairy tale ending, because although at the end of the movie it's not what you expect it to be, there is still a fairy tale ending, and for that I did the rose shape because I'm obsessed. This is a blend we've done before, and it has been a favorite, and I knew I needed to bring it back because it's such a good blend. I'm obsessed. It is a blend. It is a strawberry blend. Strawberry pound cake, strawberry bread, and summer scoop. Summer scoop is strawberry ice cream. It is so strawberry. Oh, it's so good. This is such a good blend. I think you guys are going to love this one. This is, I mean, I know you do. I've made this before and it's been amazing selling. So this is Fairy Tale Ending. Then up next we have Dear Diary. I'm shocked I didn't do like a diary type scent in the first collection, but here we are. That is in our 2-pack heart waffle shapes in a light purple. This is a blend of raspberry custard tart, cream cheese frosting, and pie crust. I sampled out raspberry custard tart as a freebie one of the past 2 releases, and it is so good, and I really wanted to elevate it, so I added the cream cheese frosting, I added the pie crust, and I think that just really just made it the raspberry custard tart that it deserves to be, and it is so good. It's so good. It's so good. It's not a floral raspberry. It is an absolutely fruity raspberry, and you are going to love this one. So that is Dear Diary. Next up, we have, I'll save this one for close to last because it's one of my favorites. Next up, we have Maurice. Maurice is the dog, the poodle, and I thought it was so fun because in the first movie there's the cat, and the second movie there's the dog, so I went with the white paws since it is a white poodle. These are a 2-pack paws. 2-pack paws. Say that 5 times fast. This is a really fun, bright blend, kind of getting you excited for summer. It is a blend of cotton candy, lemon curd, and Rice Krispies. It's a summertime blend. I know I'm working on a spring collection. It's a summertime blend, but it's so good. I love it so much. I think the Rice Krispies adds just like a perfect light bakery note for that undertone, and then you can definitely smell the lemon curd and the cotton candy. It smells so good. So that is Maurice. Then next we have a very cute moose. You know, when she's doing the whole getting ready for her wedding situation, she looks like a moose, but she's a very cute moose. And that is in our XL Snap Bars in a light brown. This is a delicious bakery blend. I think I've also done this one before. It is brown sugar zucchini bread in Old Town Bake Shop. So a very classically smooth bakery scent. I feel like you could also pop off one of these and mix it with something fruity or add it to something already kind of cinnamony or bakery and just really elevate it. It's so warm. It's just so warm. I love it so, so, so much. So that is a very cute mousse. Next, I think this might be my favorite, and that's why I made it a snap bar, because it is so good. It is called Princess Suite in honor of her room, because she does have a princess suite in the castle. And it is, again, potentially a summertime blend, but hear me out, okay? I'm ready for summer. It is a blend of pink lemonade and boom boom type. I am obsessed. Obsessed. Princess Suite. I'm so serious. Just pick up one. You're gonna be in love. The pink lemonade is so delicious in this. I just want to drink it. It literally smells like pink lemonade. It's so, so good. So that is Princess Suite. And then last but not least, so we started off with Princess Mia. Now we have Queen of Genovia. I just wanted to kind of start and end, you know what I'm saying? So this is in a green bunt because green pears Genovia. I associate Genovia with green. This is a blend of fresh pear, ice cream scoop bread, and yellow cake. It's amazing. Oh, this is so, the pear shines in this. It is so delicious. I'm obsessed with this. Queen of Genovia, amazing. So that, my friends, is everything for the 2 collections coming to the shop today. I am so excited for both of them. I feel like they're so good. A great kind of spring transition-y kind of scent blend collection here, and then, you know, your classic spring Easter. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am. Let me know what scents you're most excited to pick up today, and definitely be sure to follow our Facebook group, our Instagram, subscribe to my channel, check out our Etsy shop, and I'll see you guys at 3 p.m. and I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.